That is crazy.
Look at that little bird. He's beating up the hawk.
The hawk's not going to move off its kill, though.
I don't know.
It's another bird, I think. That thing is huge.
That's a hawk. He's got something, and there's a little bird. Must be his friend that the hawk's got.
Wow. That is just crazy.
Look at that bird. He's like beating up on the hawk. It's hilarious.
Wow. It didn't even leap for Corey. It's not leaving its kill. That is just insane.
This is a YouTube video of that bird keeps beating up the hawk.
That was crazy. I think I scared off the little bird.
Well, there's a little bird there.
And then there's that bird up there that's been screaming too.
I wonder what the hawk has in his paws.
I don't know. I think it must be a bird. Either that or that mockingbird's trying to protect its nest or something. That's just crazy. Where'd that mockingbird go? Oh, there it is right there. Oh, now he's flying off with his kill.
Wow, that was a beautiful bird.
That was